Glutes bridge is
A
waste
lot
of
of people
time?
come to me with weak glutes, even after doing endless glute bridges, hip thrust, and squats. What they don't realize is these exercises are a complete waste of time if the fascial connection is weak. And I'm going to prove it to you with a simple question. Which muscle group feels sore after you do these exercises? If you are like most people, it's your quads and hamstring, not your glutes, which means these are strengthening your quads and hamstring, not your glutes. So how do you strengthen your glutes? You need to first develop a strong fascial connection from the base of your feet up to your glutes. This is what allows you to transmit the full force of your gluteus maximus down through your legs and feet into the ground, which is exactly what hyperarch fascia training was designed for. And it's super easy once you start developing the fascial connection with the right focus. It's already helped countless of my students increase agility, run faster, more effortlessly, be more explosive, and jump higher. And most importantly, reduce injury, recover faster, and live pain-free.
DM me change to learn more.